Unit number 11, the new car. Can we please buy a new car? Mom asked Dad one day. Why do you want a new car? This car is fine, said Dad. All cars are more stylish. I don't care about style, said Mom. I just want a car that has good air conditioning. Driving with the windows down is messing up my hair. Okay, said Dad. Let's go car shopping tomorrow. The next day, Mom, Dad, Brian, and Lucy went car shopping. First, they looked at big cars. No, these are too expensive, said Mom. Next, they looked at medium cars. No, they are still too expensive, said Mom. Finally, they looked at small cars. Said Mom. This car is very small, isn't it? Let's get the air conditioning fixed in the old car, said Dad. Yes! Good idea, said Mom. Okay, hope you enjoyed the story, kids. Bye!